Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to be talking about formatting strings. Very simple, a couple of different ways to do this. So I'm just going to create the first function, which is called my name. Okay, so this is the first function and I'm going to pass it I'm going to pass it the argument name. Okay, so that's the argument that I'm going to pass it, and I'm going to print first of all hello, then we're going to do the formatting, new line here, dot format, name. This is still a pretty popular way of doing the formatting names, and I like to do it every now and again. I like to use there's a couple of different ways. There's one way that I'm not going to go into, and that's kind of like being depreciated, and it's actually a bit difficult to do, but there's a couple of simple ways, and these are about the two most simplest ways I can think of at the moment. So there we go. Let's create another function. So the other function is going to be called my age, and pass the argument there, age. So I'm going to print. Let's have a look. We're going to do this particular way. Put F there, and then I am, and then we've got to do age like that. Years old, and then of course a new line there. Right, let's have a look. So the final one is going to be my job. Okay, pass the parameter job into there. Okay, so print I am an international and then we're going to do the old new line dot format. Okay, and then we're going to do job. Okay, now what we've got to do is we've got to call these functions. So the first one, my name. I'm going to put Steve. My name's Steve. My age. Okay, I'm going to put 105. Getting on a little bit, I'm afraid. And my job, I'm going to put Playboy, be very modest here. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to save this and we're going to run and see what we get. And we get an error. So let's check this error out. Error at line 11 there. Okay, so let's just check this out. Okay, just after scanning around, this is the error. Basically a typo, and just a simple typo can throw a spanner into your whole program, so be careful. So let's take that out. This is why normally I like to write a little bit of code first, and then I like to run the code and make sure it's error free. Okay, so did I save it? Okay, well I saved now. Let's run it. So there you go. Hello Steve, I am 105 years old. I am an international playboy. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember to thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.